In this video, we're going to discuss business analytics, the definition, the value it plays in the decision-making process, and then we're going to discuss the three unique types of analytical models as they relate to business analytics and data science. So first and foremost, business analytics is a scientific process. And within a scientific process is the iterative nature. Now, iterative nature means that we're going to do something and then we might improve upon it and then do it again. And improve upon it and do it again. Improve upon it and do it again. As we get more data, we get better at our modeling, we learn more, we go back and improve our model over and over again until we're satisfied that we've reduced risk to a level that's acceptable to our business. So we've got the scientific process. Within that also includes transforming data from its raw nature to providing insight and making better decisions. So we have this pyramid where we start with raw data or noisy data, something that we've collected from our customers or our store receipts or our website, and we start to filter it. We start to clean it. So in this week of class, you're working on cleaning some data, identifying errors. So that's part of this process. And then we start producing information where we're saying, wow, look at this trend. I didn't know that customers buy more product at this price level than they do when it's at a different price level. So you're starting to put together patterns. Now you might not know what they mean yet, but you're starting to group customers together. You're starting to identify a couple of trends, busy times, most often sold products, things like that. The next step is knowledge. Going from information to knowledge is a very difficult process. Knowledge is one of those things where you know what the answer is. It's kind of like 2 plus 2. You know it's 4. You don't have to sit there and think, okay, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Same thing with many people that multiply 12 times 12. We know that it's 144. It's one of those things where many people, when they do double digits in multiplication, 12 times 12, 144. Now, if I were to ask you what 38 times 92 is, you're probably going to have to whip out a calculator. You're probably going to have to do some scratch paper and do the longhand way to solve that. Okay? But again, 12 times 12, you know it. You've memorized it, but now you know it. You understand how it works, etc. You work the problem back if you need to, but you know it. Okay? Insight. The final one is insight. It's often difficult to get to the final step in this pyramid. Insight is often seen as that eureka moment where we know the strategy won't work. And we know why. Because we're insightful. We know our business so well. And this isn't one of those intuitive things that we've discussed in a previous video, but it's one of those things where you're so in tune with your business, your customer base, your suppliers, that you just know something is not going to work. But you know why that it won't work, but you know why it's not possible, or that it's impossible to complete. So insight is really that connection to your business that most people do not get, do not achieve. It's that nirvana moment where you know how things are going to work and how they are not going to work. Okay?